Okay, guys, I lost the recording of what I was gonna do. So tomorrow, because I was making part 1 today, I'm starting a new series called Cute Danie and Jimmie. Danie and Jimmie are my pet budgies. Jimmie, they're brother and sister. Danie is the blue one and is a boy. They're both about 1 year and a half, just about less than 1 year and a half. The yellow one is Jimmie, a girl. Like I said, they're brother and sister, same age. Jimmie, the girl, doesn't seem to get along that well with Danie. They fight at night time sometimes. Now, tomorrow at about 3:10, I'm gonna get part 1 out. Now, I did create part 1 today, but yeah, I lost the recording. So yeah, I'm gonna create part 1 tomorrow. And also, if you like Cute Danie and Jimmie, I stole this series from I stole the idea. I got the idea from a school friend's YouTube channel. I'm gonna jab them here. Their YouTube channel is known RBLX. Just saying. Yeah, check out their channel and give them a subscribe. Known RBLX. That's KNOWN RBLX. So give them a check out, subscribe to them as well as this channel. So yeah, okay now. So tomorrow at about 3:10, I'm gonna see part 1 of Cute Danie and Jimmie, and like I said, give known RBLX KNOWN RBLX a look out and subscribe to them. So thank you for watching this, and we'll see you tomorrow.